chambers, two atrium and two ventricle. The previous name of the atrium is auricles, and now the auricles name the appendages of the atrium. The two atrium separated from each other by interatrial septum, and the two ventricles, they are separated by the interventricular septum. Now, the two ventricle and the two atrium, they are associated with each other through valves. The valves called AV valve, atrioventricular valve. And we have another type of valve called semilunar valve, consists of two-layer visceral pericardium and parietal pericardium. Now the wall of the layer, as we see, is consist of the epicardium side, which is fibrous tissue and composed of the visceral pericardium, and the whole tissue, the muscular tissue, is the myocardium side, which is a cardiac muscle, and the endothelium side is the endocardium part of the heart wall. Two types of valves: the AV valve, which is between the atrium and the ventricle, and we have the semilunar valve, which is associated with the aorta and the pulmonary trunk, and bicuspid or mitral valve. According to the number of the cusp or the leaflets, we call it the valve. The AV valve attached to a papillary muscle and chordae tendineae. And the chordae tendineae and papillary muscle control and regulate the opening and closing of the valve. When the chordae tendineae and the papillary muscle, they are contract, the valve will be closed. Contract his strength of parachute, the parachute will be open. As we see here, it's closed. When the papillary muscle relaxed, the valve will be open. The chordae tendineae and the papillary muscle and the valve, the AV valve. When the chordae tendineae taut, the papillary muscle will be contract, which means the valve will be closed, bicuspid or the tricuspid. When the chordae tendineae slack and the papillary muscle relaxed, which means the valve will be open. Second type of the valves is associated with the pulmonary trunk and the aorta, the semilunar valve. We have pulmonary valve and aortic valve. Semilunar valve, as we see, with three cusps, and here the AV valve, three tricuspid and the mitral or bicuspid valve. Is a collection of nodes and specialized cells that initiate and control the contraction of the heart. It consists of four structures: sinoatrial nodes, the pacemaker, which is located at the atrium side, the atrioventricular nodes, and the bundle of His, and the Purkinje fiber, which is branched all over the ventricle wall.